Today, you're going to learn more than 20 new French vocabulary words in just a few minutes. Every beginner should know how to say these common words in French in order to survive in daily conversation. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about things like family, friends, pets, and more. Hey everyone, Danae here with Take Lessons Live, bringing you the latest French tips right from our virtual classroom. If you're a beginner and you want to learn how to say some of the most important words in French, keep watching and be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more great tutorials just like this one.
Let's move on to your family. So, j'ai une famille. Okay. Mère. Mère is literally mother. If you want to be a bit more casual, you can say une maman, which is the word for mom. Then we have un père, or again, we could say un papa for dad. So let's try to say I have a mother or a father. J'ai une mère.
J'ai une mère.
Very good.
J'ai un père.
Very good. Okay, let's look at the word for son. Un fils. The tricky part is that you should not say the L, but you should definitely say the S. Un fils. Now, daughter, we have the same letters that make the sound I. Une fille. Then for brother, frère.
Frère.
Very good. Sœur.
Sœur.
And it sounds just like the English word sœur. Okay, let's add adjectives again. To say a grandfather is going to be pretty easy because I'm pretty sure this is actually a French word originally. So, grandson, which here I believe the English doesn't make much sense because technically a grandson is actually a little son because he's younger than you. So, that's what we say in French, little son. Un petit-fils. Okay? And a sister-in-law, we don't use the word law, but we call them beautiful. All kinds of in-laws are always called beautiful. Une belle-sœur. Des amis. So if it's a male friend, we'll just say un ami. And petit ami. Literally, it means a little friend, but it's just how we call boyfriend. Now, this is a friend as in female, une amie. And can you guess how to say a girlfriend? So, une petite.
Amie. Une petite amie.
Exactly. We need a E on each side. Everywhere we need a E because it's feminine. It's a girlfriend. All right. So we're going to translate a couple sentences to practice some things we've seen right now. Can you tell me, I have a friend, but I don't have a boyfriend?
J'ai une amie. Je n'ai pas petite amie. Petit ami.
Very good. So there are a couple words missing, but it's very good in terms of pronunciation. It's okay. So j'ai un ami, mais je n'ai pas de petit ami. Un animal de compagnie. How do we say a dog? Do you know how to say a cat? Let's try to say chien. In English, hamster with a H. In French, though, we just say un hamster. So a squirrel is écureuil.
Écureuil.
Yeah, very good. Once more, let's add an adjective to the words we just learned. How would we say a big dog? Here it's debatable. We could definitely say un grand chien, which means he's more tall. Or we could say gros chien, which is more that he's fat. Either or, yes. Let's try a small cat. Anyone knows how to say American? Américain, very good.
Américain.
And if it's a woman, we'll add a E. So it will sound like this. Américain for men, Américaine for girls. What about French?
Je suis française.
Française for girls, and Français without the E for men, right? Français, Française. Any idea how to say Mexican?
Mexique.
Mexique is the country. We just need a little more at the end to make it Mexican. Indian. Indien for men, Indienne for women. Very good. Indien, Indienne. Now, you could also express your feelings with the verb be. You could say, I am happy, I am sad, I am angry. Maybe sad. Ida?
Triste.
Correct.
Triste.
How about happy? Content for men, contente
Contente.
for women. Okay?
Contente.
Now, this technically, we don't say angry, we say in anger, which goes like this, en colère. Exactly. Je ne suis pas, and then you put en colère. Your health. We have tired, fatigué. How about sick?
Je suis malade.
Very good, malade, and feeling good. We can say en forme. So, how are you feeling today, Vidya?
Je suis en forme.
Very good. Je suis en forme. Okay. How about you, Ida? Maybe we can use a negation, like I am not tired.
Je ne suis pas fatiguée.
Exactly. Very good. Je ne suis pas fatigué. And actually, it's exactly what I was asking here, so that's perfect. Je ne suis pas fatigué. That works. And je suis en forme is also good.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial from our French teacher Sini. To keep learning, click on the link in the description box below, where you'll be taken over to take lessons live, and you can access tons of free French classes. So go ahead and get signed up today, and we'll see you in class.